closer to you.
Get away from me. Here, stop.
Check it out, I wrote your name on it.
I didn't write your name on it. And I need the tissue paper back. I don't know.
Can you see me?
Yes, I'm sure we can see you. It's just where it was before.
I doubt it.
Okay.
I just deposited a check. That was over $1,000.
Holy crap.
You don't even want to know how much I have in my checking account.
No, I have $2 to my name right now.
I had my checkbook with me, and I'm like, I have to guard this with my life. I have so much money in it.
Okay.
It's gonna cut off half of my head. My head!
Go back.
Now we're really far away.
Ah, these lights are making me, like, sweat right now. I should not have worn jeans. Here you go. 3, 2, 1,
go!
Yeah.
Really?
What?
Is that how it was before?
I think so. Do you want to go check? Here's your head. Go check.
Now we sing.
No. It's not warm. Why are you holding it like that?
You only gave me like half an inch.
I gave an equal amount.
Stingy.
That was all we had left. I split it up. Mine sings 99 sing-a-ma-jigs on the wall. Oh my gosh, that's so awesome.
And so I had to drop off my car yesterday to get it fixed. Get my scratch fixed.
Oh.
I missed it. I had dreams about it. And when I went over and visited him, they were like, people were grinding things off of him. Like, you know those little black bars?
No.
He was grinding them off. A tisket, a tasket?
A tisket, a tasket, a yellow basket.
And I was like, Cass! Merry Christmas, Cara.
Merry Christmas, Lydia. I almost bought the alcoholic kind of eggnog, too.
Except that you can't.
I could have gotten away with it. They would have thought that I was way over the limit. I wouldn't have asked for my...
Yeah, they would have. You're 16. I look 21.
I'm almost 20. How it was. Yours has twine too.
Wait, do you have a scissors?
No.
Why don't you have scissors?
Oh, right there. Go get it. Oh. I'm the younger and more feeble of the two of us.
I'm sure that's not how it works.
Oh, you can just untie it, see? I can't believe we got each other the same thing. Mine has like an ultimate dance party shirt on, like. Mine sounds evil and demonic.
And this doesn't? Now we sing! Wow!
Merry Christmas, you.
Merry Christmas!
Ow, it's really hot on my neck. Okay, I'm taking this off now. It's burning my neck. It's stuck to my hair.
Okay. Shh, calm down.
I can breathe. It's like...
I know, he's cute.
Really funny. So, when I got yours, I got it on Black Friday, and the people in the car, I was just like... the entire time.
Nice.
And then there was like, will you shut up? And I was like, no, this is so awesome. Like, so who you getting this from? Like my 20-year-old cousin.
You can name a Berryman. Sounds dirty.
What?
Okay.
Why does that sound dirty?
I don't know. I need a name for my girl.
Nina?
Nina.
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 It's Nina.
No, it's Nina.
Okay. Winston. Nina and Winston.
Oh. We would like to welcome to our family.
Yep.
Nina. And
Winston.